Many jump to solve this question, but what they miss is the interesting part of the question. Without solving this question, it is possible to determine the values that x can never be. What are the values? The first is that x cannot be equals to 0. Do you know why? If x is equals to 0, that means that we're going to have 2 divided by 0. And the ratio of 2 to 0 will be undefined. Are you getting it? Rendering the equation useless. The second value that x can never be is x cannot be equals to 4. Do you know why? If x is equals to 4 in this equation that we have on the board, the right hand side of the equation, the denominator here will be equals to 0 because we are going to take the difference between 4 and 4, right? So making the denominator equals to 0. Do you understand? So these are the two values. Now let us proceed to solve to get the values of x. We have 2 over x equals to 3 over x minus 4. Because we have two fractions separated by an equals to sign, we're going to take the cross product, right? So I'm going to have 2 multiplied by x minus 4 equals to 3 times x, right? 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. This will be equals to 3x. The next step is that I'm going to collect like terms. Here, I'm going to have 3x minus 2x equals to negative 8, right? 3x minus 2x is x. X will be equals to negative 8. As we have known, x is not equals to 0, neither x is equals to 4. Do you understand? So that is the solution to the question. Now, anytime you are given a question, do not miss the interesting part by jumping to the solution. Are you getting it? First, try and examine what the question is telling you. Here, the question is telling us that there is a single values of x, but even though x can be any values, but it cannot be these two values. Do you understand? That is the solution. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next class.